mapapanood muli ang JM Fiang sa ASAP ngayong linggo. At sa January 19, mapapanood natin ng solo si Fiang Smith na mag-perform sa 49 Sinulog sa Kabangkalan. Gaganapin ito sa City Public Plaza ng 8 p.m. Sinulog Celebrity Night featuring Fiang Smith at makakasama niya rin dito sina Janine Gutierrez, Jericho Rosales, Issei Kirsten, at Silent Sanctuary. Samantala, eto naman ang kaganapan sa unang project ng Team JM Fiang Official, in collaboration with Team Fiang Official and Team JM Ibarra Official, ang block screening nila sa movie ni Vice Ganda and The Breadwinner Is. Ang saya ng mga solid supporters ng JM Fiang kasi present ang dalawa. Very supportive at nakaka-appreciate talaga ang fans ni na JM at Fiang. Panoorin pa natin guys ang iba't ibang ganap sa kanila.
Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open but it stays right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones.